Alright, welcome back to the channel. Yesterday I picked up some new calipers for my B8 S5. Just gonna unwrap them, test fit, make sure everything's good based on what the information I read online, and then we'll get ready to paint and all that stuff another day. But today, quick test fit. Let's show you what we got here. Alright, hopefully we can see here, but we got some, unwrap these bad boys here, punch that up, chuck that in the garbage. Yeah. Alright, so what we have are calipers off of a Q5, newer ones, 4-piston Brembos. You see Brembo Audi there, and everything I read online is these are supposed to bolt straight on. Pretty sure these are the version for 345mm rotors, which is stock on my S5 here. So yeah, like I say, we are just going to test fit them today, but everything is supposed to be direct bolt on, use the same line, everything like that. And obviously you need matching pads for the caliper, which came with used pads. Realistically, I'll be getting new pads. Won't be trying to reuse pads. So let's, wheel chock, parking brakes on and all that, but just to be sure, up in the air. Pull up the center cap. Have our gun here. Pay attention to what we're doing, grab the right socket. Alright, we'll have a quick look at current setup. Single piston S5 345mm. Let's get the wheel turned, pull off this caliper. And see how the new one fits. Alright, so wasn't going on with the rotor in place, so let's just make sure mounting hardware lines up. Alright, so mounting hardware lines up. Gonna be pretty awesome. Just gotta verify the size of rotors I need. Apparently it's not whatever comes on my S5. Let's give it a quick measure. And see if it's either my car that's abnormal or, I don't know, this is 345 because that's the option. Other people talk about 320s. All right, now let's see if we're even close with the wheel fitting. Obviously the rotor's off, which is however thick. So that's going to affect it, but it's at least give me an idea on whether I'm going to need. It's going to be really iffy if that's going to clear, but we'll find out once we verify the size of rotors we need. Oops. It's going to be really iffy if that's going to clear, but we'll verify once we get rotors. Alright, well, we'll do some more digging online, figure out what rotors I need with these calipers, and get some pads and rotors on order, and have her all ready when it's summertime. Alright, so looks like the information I read was a little bit wrong. It said they fit on the 345s, and they don't. So do some digging, figure out what size I do need. Maybe because this is off a newer model, I think these came off of 2018. Maybe that's why they changed things a little bit. Who knows? But we'll look it up, figure it out. I'll leave part numbers for these calipers in the description for anybody who wants to look it up, and then later, once I know what size rotors and everything, we can I'll give you all that information at a later date. But for now, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. We'll catch you on the next one, and as always, fix it until it breaks. Peace.